Email verification failed on Trading212 Fix. If your trading email verification isn't working, you're not alone. Most users assume there's a major problem, but the surprising truth is that email verification issues are usually caused by small mistakes in email entry, browser settings, or device configurations. Start by checking that your email address is entered correctly. Even a single typo, missing character, or extra space can stop the verification email from being delivered. Next, check every folder in your email, including spam, junk promotions, and custom folders. Automated emails from Trading can be filtered incorrectly by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Click the verification link as soon as you find it, since links often expire quickly. If the email hasn't arrived, request a new verification link from Trading. Resending the link usually solves the issue immediately. Browser or device issues can also interfere. Clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or use the Trading mobile app. Sometimes ad blockers or security extensions prevent emails from being displayed. If your email provider blocks automated messages entirely, try registering with a different email address, preferably Gmail or Outlook, which tend to handle verification emails more reliably. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Trading support. Explain the issue and the steps you've already taken. Support can manually verify your account, giving you access without further delay. Remember, check your email carefully, inspect all folders, resend the link if needed, try a different browser or device, and contact support if necessary. Following these steps usually resolves verification issues quickly, letting you start trading on Trading without frustration.